going to cover question 5.2 and 5.3. So 5.2 says create a query called query 5.2 based on the detailed table. So because I need to base it on this table, I'm going to double click and open it, then create, and then over here under queries, I'm going to pick the query wizard. Always easier to work with the wizard. Over here, simple query wizard, so okay. And because I opened the table, you'll see that's the table that was selected. If I didn't open the table, I'd have to select the correct table through this list. Alright, so it says here that I need to display only the surname. So I'm going to say click on surname, name, double click on name, address, and city. Okay, before I move on, I'm going to keep reading this because sometimes they ask us to sort it with different fields that they didn't ask to show, and we have to add them. So it says here, sort the records alphabetically first according to the name and then according to the surname. Alright, great. So we've got that already sorted. We've got the name and surname. And then it says, show the records of all the members who live in Lone Hill or Bunbury. So we've already got the address field as well, so we can move on from here. What title do you want for your query? Now they told us to label it QRY 5_2. Alright, and that's first you can see we got surname, name, address, and then city. So we need to go into our design view to fix this up. If we have a look here, you can see that the suburbs or the cities that they asked for the Lone Hill and the Bunbury are in the city field, so that's where the criteria is going to need to go. So let's go do that first quickly. Okay, so here under city, we are going to type in Lone Hill, space, or Bunbury. Okay, when I click away from it, you'll see the names get the quotation marks added for me, and the O gets capitalized, the O. When I run, let me just close this table. Okay, let me just go to view, and there you'll see the city pulls out the ones that I'm looking for. Alright, now before I save this and close, it says I need to sort the records alphabetically, first according to the name and then according to the surname. So I'm going to go here. I need to make sure that this says surname and this one says name. I'm going to put the name first, then over here say sort in ascending, sort in ascending. Because name comes first, the first word by that, and then by surname. Run it. There you see first sorted by name and then by surname. Alright guys, so that was question 5.2. Let's move on now to 5.3. It says modify the query to display a list with the following criteria. So let's just close this. It asked me to save, so I said yes. So now we're going to go to query 5_3, double click, there's the query, go into design view. Now inside the design view, they say I need to create a list of the male members whose cell phone numbers start with 077. So the first thing I'm going to do here, you see it's the table. This query was created from the table details. I want to just open up details and customize myself with it. So under gender, you'll see they write the full word out for male. So in my criteria, I need to remember to write that all out there. Okay, so what we're going to do is close this, go back into the gender here and type in male because I'm looking for the male. Then the cell phone, they said we need to find all the cell phones that start with 077. So I need to use the like, and I open up the quotation marks. I type in my number, the first 3 digits, and then I need to put a little asterisk at the end so it knows it's looking for a number that's longer than 077, but it knows that it starts with 077. Close the quotation marks, and if I click on the design, the sheet view, you will see all the numbers are 077, and over here it just shows you male. Back in the design view, they say display only the names, surnames, and cell phone numbers of these members. Names, surnames, cell phone numbers. They don't want to see this because, of course, they know it's all going to be male. So we untick that box, and now you'll see there's only 3 fields. Alright guys, so that was the question 5.3, and we can save and close.